Good morning. The hotel feels very calm and nice today.
Good morning, sir. Yes, mornings here are quiet and peaceful.
I slept well and feel very hungry now.
I am happy to hear that. Breakfast is ready for you.
That sounds great. Where can I have breakfast?
Breakfast is served in the dining area near the windows.
Thank you. Is breakfast included with my room?
Yes, sir. Breakfast is included with your stay.
That is wonderful news. What time does breakfast end?
Breakfast ends at 10:30 in the morning.
I am early today, so I have enough time.
Yes, you can enjoy your meal slowly.
The dining room looks very clean and bright.
Thank you. We clean it carefully every morning.
I like the smell of fresh food here.
We prepare everything fresh for our guests.
What food do you have today?
We have eggs, bread, fruit, juice, and hot tea.
That sounds very nice and simple.
Yes, many guests enjoy simple breakfast food.
Do you also have coffee?
Yes, sir. We have hot coffee and milk.
I would like 1 cup of coffee, please.
Of course. I will bring it to your table.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome, sir.
Is this a buffet breakfast?
Yes, sir. You can choose food by yourself.
That is very convenient.
Yes, many guests like buffet style.
I travel often and enjoy hotel breakfast.
That sounds interesting. Where do you usually travel?
I travel for work and sometimes for holidays.
That must be exciting and busy.
Yes, but good breakfast makes my day better.
I am glad to hear that.
Do many guests come here for breakfast?
Yes, especially families and business travelers.
I see people from different countries here.
Yes, we welcome guests from many places.
I like meeting new people while traveling.
That is very nice and friendly of you.
This hotel feels very comfortable.
Thank you. We try to make guests feel at home.
I can see the city from the window.
Yes, the view is beautiful in the morning.
I enjoy sitting near the window.
You chose a good table.
The sunlight feels warm and pleasant.
Yes, mornings are bright here.
Can I take some fruit now?
Yes, please help yourself.
The fruit looks fresh and colorful.
We get fresh fruit every day.
I like apples and bananas for breakfast.
Those are very popular choices.
Do you also have cereal?
Yes, cereal is next to the bread section.
Thank you for showing me.
You are welcome.
I will take some eggs too.
We have boiled and fried eggs.
I prefer boiled eggs today.
That is a healthy choice.
I try to eat healthy when traveling.
That is a good habit.
Traveling food is sometimes heavy.
Yes. Hotel food can be rich.
Simple food is best in the morning.
Many guests think the same way.
This coffee smells very good.
I am glad you like it.
Do you enjoy working here?
Yes, I like helping guests every day.
You are very polite and kind.
Thank you, sir. That means a lot.
Good service makes hotels special.
Yes, service is very important.
I feel relaxed eating here.
That is exactly what we want.
How long have you worked here?
I have worked here for 5 years.
That is a long time.
Yes, I know this hotel very well now.
Do you work every morning?
Mostly mornings, sometimes afternoons.
Morning work seems peaceful.
Yes, mornings are calm and friendly.
Guests seem happy in the morning.
Yes, especially after good sleep.
I slept very comfortably last night.
I am happy to hear that.
The room was quiet and clean.
Housekeeping works very hard.
Please thank them for me.
I will tell them your kind words.
This hotel feels welcoming.
Thank you for saying that.
Do you eat breakfast here too?
Yes, staff eat breakfast after work.
What do you like to eat?
I like fruit, eggs, and tea.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, it gives energy for the day.
I need energy for meetings today.
I hope breakfast helps you.
It already does.
That is great.
The bread is soft and warm.
It is baked fresh this morning.
I can taste the freshness.
I am glad you noticed that.
Do you enjoy meeting guests?
Yes, every guest has a story.
That is true. Travel creates stories.
Yes, it does.
I will remember this breakfast.
That makes me very happy.
Thank you for making my morning nice.
You are always welcome.
I will recommend this hotel to friends.
Thank you very much, sir.
I still have some time to eat.
Please take your time.
I like slow mornings on trips.
Slow mornings are the best.
The music here is soft.
Yes, we play calm music.
It helps guests relax.
Exactly.
I feel ready for my day now.
I am glad breakfast helped you.
I will finish my coffee slowly.
Please enjoy it.
Thank you again for your kindness.
You're very welcome.
Breakfast here is a good experience.
We are happy you like it.
I will come again tomorrow morning.
We look forward to seeing you.
Have a nice day at work.
Thank you. Have a great day too.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, sir.